To set up contactless payments on the Xiaomi 17T, first of all, let's start by opening settings on our phone, and then we need to find NFC, which should be located in more connectivity options, and then there's NFC. From here, you will need to make sure that NFC is enabled whenever you try to pay, and you can also add the quick access icon right here for NFC so we can have it active quickly. Then when we have our NFC all sorted out, we can go to payment default and select the app that we want to use for those payments. So you need to have an app where you add your specific card that you're gonna pay with, and then when that app is selected, it will be used for those payments. Now let's move to Google Pay, in this case actually Google Wallet, to set up a card. And here in Google Play Store we can find a wallet. So look for Google Wallet app. This one right here. Make sure that it's made by Google, not to get scammed. Then we can click on open and add our payment card. From here, you'll be able to fill up information about your card. You can also scan it using the camera or enter details manually. When your card is added and your NFC active, all you have to do is just close up your phone to the terminal to pay. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.